I can't believe this day has come, but I'm officially sharing my crinkle recipe. I built a whole business on this dessert. You're going to take some phyllo dough in a clean aluminum pan. Let's not talk about my attire. You're going to take 2 sheets of phyllo dough. You're going to see that right now. And every 2 sheets of phyllo dough, you're going to crinkle them. That's where it got the name from. So you're going to see how I'm folding it. But the thing is, if you can't fold it this way, that's okay. You could just crumple it up together. It doesn't matter. But it does have to be 2 sheets at a time. If you do more than 2 sheets, it's going to be a little too thick and not as light and crispy. Okay, this part is going to go fast, so I'm going to make sure I write everything down in the comments as well. But you're going to take your raw phyllo dough and you're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. While it's in the oven for 10 minutes, you're going to melt 2 sticks of butter. Once it's fully melted, you're going to evenly coat it on the top of the phyllo dough, and then you're going to put it in the oven again for 10 minutes at 350. The custard is 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and 2 to 3 teaspoons of vanilla. You're going to whisk it all together so it's completely homogeneous. And once you've completely whisked it, after the second 10 minutes are over, you're going to evenly pour it all over the phyllo dough. You're going to stick it back into the oven again for another 30, maybe 40 minutes until it's completely crispy and golden brown. This is just a regular schmegular sugar syrup. You want it this consistency. It's not baklava syrup. You want it thicker. So you're going to go ahead and evenly pour that all over the crinkle as even as you can. I take a spatula and, smooth it out. But yeah, there you go. And you just cut it to the size pieces that you like. I hope you enjoy.